Them big titties, Elmo though. That's some big. So Elmo's black titties. Grover definitely has black titties. Snuffleupagus is already brown.
Yeah.
Big Bird's Puerto Rican.
Yeah. Bert and Ernie are just gay men. So I don't know if they would have
are
tits.
in the regular show.
Yeah.
God, I would love to watch Bert and Ernie have sex.
You can easily do that.
Yeah, I guess the internet's full of that.
Yeah.
Which one's the top and which one's the bottom?
Bert's definitely the top. That's why Ernie's so chill.
Oh, interesting.
Bert's got all that pent up top
Bert
energy.
is Bert's the yellow one.
Yeah.
Ernie's the cool one.
Yeah.
He's getting fucked in the ass.
Yeah, Ernie gets to be...
Yeah.
No, actually, you know what? I think Ernie probably fucks Bert in the ass.
because Ernie gets to be fully gay, which is all he wants.
Yeah.
It's just to be fucked. Whereas Bert,
Nah.
he's middle-aged now.
I think
Bert really, what he really wants to go do is fuck 17, 18-year-old twinks, which is in every gay man's heart.
Yep, true.
They just want to fuck young, hot ass,
Sure,
but now they have to have relationships because they fought tooth and nail to get married.
They could just be having that party we were letting them have off the books.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You wanted to legalize it. All right, well, there you go, boys.
I ain't gonna pay taxes.
Yeah, right. Now you're stuck fucking Ernie for the rest of your life. Because he pays half the rent. The disability checks he gets. Not taking his AZT.
I don't know, man. I could see Bert being the fucking getting fucked.
No,
Nah.
Bert's like
He's too wound up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's not
yeah.
too like Bert.
But maybe that's what it
Ernie.
is. He's a sub because in his life he's
No,
so.
Yeah,
no.
You know what I
Ernie,
mean?
can you stop living out loud so much? Can you stop being so...
Tops hate themselves. Tops are like Bert because tops still have this like need to fuck, which makes them kind of not gay.
I told you.
Whereas the bottom is like, yeah, just fuck my ass while I sashay around the apartment and not have AIDS or whatever.
This is an interesting theory.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bert
Bert is
Ernie?
definitely a
Yeah.
self-loathing homosexual.
Yeah. Ernie's at the parade.
I gotta rewatch.
Ernie's on a
been a
float.
while.
He's wearing just like a silver thong.
Dude, I guarantee
He's
you, Ernie
twerking.
gets off from like just pure penetration.
What
He
do you
just
mean?
loves it.
Getting fucked?
Yeah.
Like,
Ernie
he
is all
jizzes.
about.
If he's as
all
gay
about-
as you say he is, you should get off sucking dick. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, if you were to declare that Ernie is, in fact, that homosexual, I would demand that he ejaculate from sucking
No,
dick.
the top also sucks the dick because they got to prep the whole area.
Yeah.
You know,
Tops
and then
do that.
they put it. Then
Really?
Yeah.
they suck
Nice.
the dick, they eat the ass, and then
I could see them eating the ass.
the
What do you
ass.
if you just
Because
do it all? I would do it all.
Yeah,
I'd
get
fuck,
a little piece
I'd get
of
fucked, I'd suck, I'd lick.
yeah, that's true.
That's
Why
the
would
thing,
you
man.
know?
And
Yeah.
this is why
Multifaceted.
this is why us straight guys don't understand. We can't understand the gay.
Yeah.
A straight man would say that. Why don't you do it all?
No.
It's like some people have like specific things that they have.
I don't know.
rolled.
I don't know if.
Yeah, that's why we're straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we would
I'm so
fuck
straight, I'll
and get
fucking die.
fucked.
That's how I do it all.
Right.
I'll fuck anything.
Yeah.
I fucked a Wile E. Coyote I won at the boardwalk in Wildwood.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I fucked him. She was like life size. I cut a hole in him and I fucked him.
It was a man.
It was anything.
Yeah.
It was a doll. I got
Did
hard
you
on the
really
fact
cut
I
a
was
hole
fucking
in it and fuck it?
Yeah. Yeah, I fucked 2 steaks. I never told you the 2 steaks? Yeah, this football player told me.
Nah, shut up.
Yeah, I swear to God. He goes, a vagina feels like 2 steaks. So we took 2 steaks that were my father had fucking defrosting.
Where the fuck are my steaks?
Yeah. Hold
Oh,
on,
here they
Dad.
are, delicious. Somebody already prepped the Bernaise sauce.
Yeah. I think the first step in gay sex is you lock eyes. And then the second step is you say, what part of the boot are you from? Where are you from in Italy?
Yeah.
Then they say where their people are from. And then they just prep the area, maybe do a little...
Yeah, great riff,
Dick
cute,
sucking.
real cute.
Let's go back to Greg's fucking steaks.
Greg,
yeah,
Greg.
continue.
Greg was having sex with steaks.
I'm
and Wile E.
fucking these,
Coyote.
so I'm fucking these steaks. This is a wild story. I fucked him, and then my stepfather came downstairs, and he was just like, he literally was like, What the fuck with the steaks?
You go, no rules, just right, governor.
And we ate them.
You ate the
Yeah,
steaks?
because I'm not going to admit that I fucked the steaks.
Did you wash them?
I'm not gonna. And he knew. I swear to God, he knew because he was making eye contact with me. Like, now you gotta fucking eat them. What the fuck? Man? Well, we cooked them. You cooked it off. You cook it off.
That is fun.
What do you want, man? It was a game of fucking. He knew. We all knew.
It was a game.
But nobody was gonna fucking admit it, so we all ate
chicken
them.
and you all just crashed into your cock.
That's like Bert's origin story. How Bert became gay and why he's such a self-loathing homosexual. He was forced to eat his own cum by his stepdad.
That is unfucking.
Did you wash the
believable.
steaks?
Yeah, he like put them in the oven.
It's like
No, you washed them.
a young
Like the
13-year-old Bert
Because,
and
like,
his friend
he
just
would put 'em on a plate.
experimenting and sucking his friend's dick. And he's like, yeah, I don't know if I'm really into this, but I guess we can try it. And his stepdad like barges in. He's like, what are you doing, you little fucking queer? Okay, we're going to treat it like cigarettes. You want to suck a dick? I got everybody from the local 512 coming over tomorrow night for poker. And you're going to suck every one of their fucking cocks. And it's a young Bert being just brutally raped by an entire reunion.
Yeah.
And he thinks about that every time he penetrates Ernie. He's like, who's gay now? Who's gay now? And Ernie's like, I am Bert. He's like, shut the fuck up! But we're gay together, Bert. Just shut up, Bertie! Okay, I'm gonna go take a bath.
Oh, that's incredible, dude. You didn't come on the steaks, did you?
That's what I was
Yeah, I mean,
asking.
like, what do you think?